So today is gender reveal day. I'm about to get ready to make the lemonade. Of course, we're gonna have pink and blue, real, you know, classic. And we got 7B running around here causing ruckus. That is not funny. She is not listening. She is being real disruptive. Why you not listening to mommy?
Mommy said that.
Why you got on them shoes? Okay, so look. Tell mommy. Are you team boy or team girl? Team boy or team girl?
Mommy.
Team girl
Go. She go. Go.
or boy?
Okay.
Boy?
Okay, so just clean the surface on the cell phone, and I need to see what your hands are going to be at during the sample collection. So I need like this here.
This is the kit.
And now you're going to, you can open the box, but don't take anything out. And go and wash your hands with hot water and soap, because the hot water is going to help you with the blood flow.
Okay.
And then use some paper towels to dry your hands and to close the sink. Open it and take everything out.
Okay.
And in here, you're going to find the pipette, alcohol pipettes, band-aids, gauzes, 3 lancets. Hopefully, you're just going to need one. That is the one with the purple thing.
If I'm right-handed.
It should point to the left.
Okay.
Just like that. And then open one band-aid and one gauze. The whole finger, especially the tip and under the nail. I'm going to explain the next step, but just continue wiping.
Okay.
And push it in.
I'm scared.
You got this. Don't think about it.
Okay.
Quickly. Boom. That's it. Fast. Push it in. More. You got this. And once you feel it, take it out. Okay, now get the gauze ready. Okay, can you show me your finger? Let me see the first big drop. Can you give a little squeeze so you can get a little bit bigger? Okay, that's good. Okay, wipe it with a gauze. That's perfect. And now bring your finger towards the pipette and let it start touching the blood. We need to reach the white filter. Oh wow, you're doing great. If you need to clean your finger with a gauze, you can do it. Oh, that's it. Okay, it's full. You can wipe it with a gauze and put a band-aid.
Okay.
How are you feeling?
Good. It's just a little sting. Ugh. It's not bad though. 255.
Okay, good. Now, in this part, you're going to see a cross. And here's where we're going to aim the blood. Do you see the cross in yours?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so just put it down. You can put it there on the box. And then get the pipette. Place it above the cross, but don't touch it. Just be above it. And then push the proper plunger down like a syringe. And let all the blood fall into the cross.
Okay. Just hold it upside down.
Yeah, and put. Okay, that's it. You can leave the pipette, and now we're going to close this. You're going to slide this purple cover towards the foil circle, and you're going to hear a click and see 2 notches on the side, so be careful, okay? It can slip sometimes. Push the purple thing, keep pushing. You're going to see the notches like this. You can also hold it against your table. Oh, you need one more push. Hold it against your table and just push the purple thing down.
Okay.
You're almost there. Okay, that's it. Yeah, open the other pouch with a letter B that is silver. And you're going to slide it inside and you're going to hear another click. Okay, put it in the biohazard bag. Close it and that goes back to this box along with your patient information card that you need to fill out. It looks like this. So after you tape the box, you're going to lift it and you're going to see the shipping label for return. And I think it is FedEx. Yeah, it should be FedEx.
Yeah, it's FedEx.
So take it to a FedEx and be sure that you scan it. And it's going to take 2 business days to arrive. You're going to see, like on Friday, pending pickup status. But don't worry about it, it means we're going to go and pick it up. Your sample starts to be processed. You're going to receive an email. And then it takes between 2 to 4 business days, because this is an NIPS, to get results. And you're going to get an email once they are ready to be viewed in your My Junior account.
Pick them up for the house? They're down here?
I'm about to get my makeup done. I got my makeup done. It's actually raining, which freaking sucks, but hopefully it stops by the time it's showtime, because this is not giving what the weather said it was supposed to give. It said it was not going to be raining at all. What happened? What happened?
Hello.
Is it waterproof?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, working man. You forgot to do the Capri Sun.
That's a whole nother cooler. You can bring me those sodas in the house?
All right, y'all. It's crunch time. Look at you crying like a baby. Look. You know it don't even hurt. The gender reveal, y'all. They waiting. What team y'all on? Team boy or team girl? Team boy, right? Oh, okay. Wow. What's that? Got a balloon? Take it.
You want another one?
You gotta hold, let me hold this. Wow. Yeah, that's heavy, Erica. Why you don't ask for help? Oh, yeah. Pull the box. Pull the box. I got it. Don't you take it, drop it. We taking it in here. I'm gonna let it go. So where are we going? Right here. On the other white table. Sevyn, come here. The big table or no? Yeah. This table's right. Let's come.
Look weak. Why the hell y'all freezing like that? Huh? Y'all ain't in the way. No.
We have the name.
Everybody say hi to Auntie Live. 1, 2, 3, say hi.
Okay, everybody ready?
Recorded. Well, I get somebody to record.
Everybody.
You got who got
It's
her
me.
phone?
I got the camera.
Oh, she got it. She
I don't know, boy.
No, everybody heart beating.
okay.
Oh my God.
Go to mommy, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
We got to count.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Girl, make some noise. Girl, make some noise. Girl on the way, baby. Girl on the way. Let's go.
It's gonna always be me. Always gonna be me.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it. No, we gonna talk about this shit later.
I really want that boy.
We're gonna talk about this later.
I knew it was a girl. I knew it was a girl. Yeah. Oh my God! I cannot believe it's a girl.
Hey, this is my daddy, y'all. Y'all ain't know everybody went ahead and my daddy about to bless you.
All right. Father, we thank you right now as we come right now in your presence. We thank you for this food that is about to be received. We thank you, Lord. It's been prepared. We thank you that this food will give nourishment to our bodies. We sanctify it by your word and through our praise. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
She let that know out real quick.
I told her to say, Mom, can I get my plate, please?
How you said it? No one more time.
That's without.
Is everything right?
Here, give me a spoon.
Hi, Sevyn. Hey. Say cheese. What you want?
We gon' sample.
What's the rules?
The rules is simple. I'm gonna play the song. Girl or boy, let me know the name of the song. Whoever yell it out first. That's it. I'm gonna do a sample and it ain't gonna be too hard. So we're gonna do it like this. Okay, you see, you got it. That was easy though. I let you live.
Let's drink. Drink up. Shot.
Ladies, y'all lost. He yelled it out. I heard him. He knows something. Say it again for me. You got it. All right, now you need to pour shots up for the ladies. Come on, let's go. Dana, you ready? Come on. 3, 2, 1, finish. Okay, Nene. Sorry, Nene. Nene just here for the vibes. She just here for the vibes.
Homies and homies, I would like to introduce you to a young man we all gonna love.
All right, y'all. It is almost. It's almost 10 p.m. I had to take that bun from off top of my head because my hair is still tight, so it was giving me a slight headache.
I really still ain't even think of a girl name.
That's my name.
That's what it was.
How do you feel about that?
No problem. I'll do that. You said that. I'll give you that.
I'm not revealing the name though anyway, so. What we did on the invitation was told people if they were team boy to bring Pampers, and if you were team girl to bring wipes. Sevyn. Say hey girl. Okay, say see you later. Bye.